Hello and welcome to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another interesting recipe from the Konkani cuisine. We'll be seeing how to prepare kartia baluk or karela fry. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients which we require would be 4 to 5 medium sized karela or bitter gourd, 3/4 cup of rice powder or rice flour, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 or 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, salt as per taste, and a pinch of asafoetida powder. To begin with, chop the top and bottom portion of the bitter gourd and later chop them into thin slices. Now deseed the bitter gourd. Deseeding the bitter gourd is completely an optional step. Once you have deseeded them, transfer them into a bowl or another container. Now add salt as per taste and give this a good mix. Allow this to rest for minimum 20 to 30 minutes before further use. Next, take a mixing bowl and transfer the rice powder or rice flour, Kashmiri red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, and a pinch of asafoetida powder. Since we have added salt in the bitter gourd also, make sure to adjust the salt in the dry ingredients accordingly. Next, into this add water little by little and give this a good mix. Here I have added half cup of water. You can add water accordingly and adjust the consistency of the batter. Make sure your batter is not too watery and is of the consistency as shown in the video. After about 30 minutes, squeeze out the excess water out of the bitter gourd and transfer them into another container. Now mix this well along with the previously prepared batter, and next take a kadai and add oil enough for deep frying. Once the oil is hot enough, transfer the bitter gourd in batches and deep fry them until they turn crisp and golden brown. After about a minute, gently stir them with the help of a fork so that it's uniformly deep fried. Now our delicious karte baluk is ready. Now transfer this into a plate which is topped with tissue paper so that it can absorb any excess oil if there is any. Deep fry the rest of the bitter gourd as well in batches until they turn golden brown or crisp. Once you have deep fried all the bitter gourd, switch off the flame and in the same oil deep fry some curry leaf and use this for garnish. Now our delicious karte baluk is ready. We can see how well cooked and crisp it is. This can be served as a dry side dish along with rice during lunchtime or even as an evening snack. So do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.